Welcome back to another edition of Gareth Unboxes. And today we got a box from Japan. I got the loaded up on my S6 Edge Plus, my gold one, so I got all loaded up, ready. So I'll pull that to the side. I'll move this over a bit more and then I can put the snacks to the one side. I will, I think I said in one of my videos a while ago, my friend was saying I did do it. I said I will taste the snacks when I get them out to the box, and I haven't done that, so I'm gonna try that today and see if it works. I'll pause it while I'm chewing and stuff like that. Let me put this back. We just got the normal sheet. Thank you for choosing this. This is the October box. So there you go. Oh, it's not the camera at all. Alright. Let me just see the inside bag as normal. The inside bag as normal. I know the sweet from earlier. So I'll pull out there. And I'm gonna try everything. So first thing we got is Dragon Ball Z. They look like potato snacks. That's what they call them. Corn puffs, I think. That's the name what they called. Here we go. I found them. Here we go. Is salad snack with a sticker of Dragon Ball Z. Super Mario, you never know which character you're gonna get. Dragon Ball Z. It says seal, but it's supposed to be C, just as said, not seal. So let's here's the sticker. It's on the back. So let me just get the knife and I can quickly cut this open in the top corner. 2 seconds, guys. Right, I have now partially open it. I'm just gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull it apart and see what thing. Oh, we got this awesome cool guy. Look at him. I forgot what his name is, but he's like the main character in Dragon Ball Z, and there's a shiny card if you can see that on the original. I'll pull that on the side. Let's get into the snacks and see. It says salad. They got like a plain kind of smell to them. They look like little puff balls. It's got like a plain kind of flavour to them, but I had recognized the flavour. A bit like a Monster Munch type thing. So that was quite nice, that was. The next thing we pull out of the box is these like waffle shaped ones. It look like jacket potato flavour. So let's see what we get. And let's have a look. Yep. They are potato snack made with thick, rich potato. The soya, salty flavor of pork, chicken, and mushroom are made with sea salt. That's pretty cool, that is. So let's see what these are actually like. So I'm gonna have a look at one, like a broken one, but there we go. It's like a stick cross thing. I'm gonna try it. Very nice. That's what a full one looks like. That's very nice. I'm gonna have another one. Go. 2 seconds, guys. So they are very nice. They are. We could eat all day. Go for the mystery. Yeah. These are mango chocolate things. I don't think I liked these last time. I had these before. There we go. Don't think I really had them. It's like a chocolate cube with like a mango filled outside. But I will try it again for you guys. Yeah, that's what they look like, guys. They're like cubes, and you get like a tray full of them. So quite a few in there. So let's bite them and I'll show you the inside. So that's the inside, guys. Very chocolatey and mango-y. Very nice they are, guys. So got stuck in the thing. The only thing I won't be doing is these kind of things. Yeah, like I said, I just pulled this out and it was the DIY kit. So that's the only thing I won't be doing because I have to mix that up and everything, and I don't want to spend ages mixing that up. So let's show you the DIY kit. There we go. So that's pretty cool, that one is. But I won't be tasting that. So the next thing we got is Mario like corn snacks. So let's see what one they are. There's looks like 3 different designs. They are mushroom shaped and star shaped. And they come in tomato flavor and cheese flavor, put them together, and it tastes like pizza. So there we go, guys. So what I will do, I'll get one of each, show you each one of each, and then I'll eat them together. So there's the mushroom one, that's the tomato one. Not really tomatoey flavour. Right, we got the star one. It's a cheese flavour on that one, but that was really nice. The And now we put them both together and then should make pizza. Tastes like a cheese and tomato pizza. Like it advertised. That's very nice and very good. So next thing we got, we won't be biting lolly, but we got a Hello Kitty lolly. I think it's a lolly, but it feels like a lolly. And looking for it. And there we go. They are peach flavor. There we go. Peach flavor one, guys. So I got a green packet, but you can also have a yellow packet. So that's very cool. I won't be trying lollies or anything like that on you. Next thing we go. Well, we got like chocolate chip cocoa. So I think the chocolate chip cookie cocoa. I don't know why they call cocoa on the end, but they cocoa for mango. But they are this rich and soft cookies made with black cocoa and almond powder for mildly bitter and bold grow up flavor. I don't like the sound of that. Grow up flavor. Well, they're all in like little singly packets, so there's a few in there. Let's take one out. The little like soft cookies, and it feels like it's got something in the middle, like probably a cookie, like a chocolate chip. That is one perfect. I don't mostly like chocolate chip cookies because they're too overpowering, too sickery. But this is one very nice chocolate chip cookie. Yeah, that's a very nice chocolate chip cookie. Let's have a look for the next thing we're gonna get. Next thing we got, I could already tell what this is. It's Ramouye. As I pull off the top, I will show you like what it says about them. There we go, blue Hawaiian flavor. So it's, I don't know what Hawaiian flavor is, so gotta be fruity. Tastes like Ramouye. I think Ramouye takes over the flavor a lot, but that's like a really sweet taste. So let's see what else we got. Oh, we got something, a little packet or something. So let's see what that is. It's this will turn your, it's chewing gum and it will turn your mouth black. So So it should be pretty cool. Like it comes in this like looks like this, but I'm gonna break a piece off. I'm getting like a grapey flavour from it. Does it say what flavour it was? Yeah, I just checked with my other phone. And yeah, it is turning my tongue black. So I put that on the little bag, and I can eat the rest of it later. Next thing I grab was soft candy. So let's see what one this is. It's a large size soft candy with a flavour of the popular Japanese drink known as Lifeguard. Enjoy the fun texture. So let's see what flavour it is, because I don't know what Lifeguard is. The brick is like this thing. So it's got like, I thought it was going to be white in the centre. Well, I thought it was white in the centre, but it's not. It's like a yellow chew, like a soft chew. That is very nice. It's like a lemon flavour. Don't feel much left in here, so let's grab. I'm guessing these are candy apple sweets. So let's see what they are. They are. This soft candy is made in the imagination of candied apples. So basically candy apple flavour, like I said, but they don't feel soft. Maybe when you bite into them they're soft. It feels like a hard candy. There we go. It's like a red like a ball, and it is a soft. Very appley. More like a sour green apple, not candy apple. But are really nice. Next thing we got is these like cute chihuahua paws. They feel like gummies, so I'm presuming they are gummies. Yeah, they're peach flavor. It's a meatball. This meatball candy is a juicy. That's not a meatball, that's a chihuahua. And I don't like a meatball either. But that's a paw, not a meatball, but a peach flavor. So let's try them and let's see what they are. It's like, they got very powdery stuff on them. It's all over my finger. like a dog paw, very peachy smell to them, and then very peachy flavor. They are very nice. So everything so far I tried except the Rambouillet, which I'm not fussed on, is alright. The next thing I grabbed was like a cake type thing, biscuit type thing. Let's see what it is. Let's have a look for them. Oh yeah, here they are. They are Genji pie. A cute heart-shaped pie, lovely, baked in the oven to a delicious crispiness. So, let's get into it, and let's look at it. It looks like a baked apple with sugar on it, but it's a biscuit. That's the kind of texture it is picking up. There we go. It's like a pastry. It's like a crispy pastry type biscuit, but it's very nice though. It's like a plain flavor with like a sugary texture. Next thing we got is an iguana type thing. So I don't know what they are. They probably Rambouillet again. Knowing me, Rambouillet is always what they want to give me. It starts off grape coloured and grape flavoured. As you lick it, this mystery Rambouillet changes total colour and flavour in your mouth. So there we go, guys. Changes colour and flavour in my mouth. So, there we go. We got all different flavours. I don't know what flavours they are, but let me just grab one and I can show you. It's purple to start off with, like a grape flavour. Smells like grape. Got kind of grapey taste to it. I haven't changed colour yet. I'll pick up this video when it changes colour. Right guys, I think it's starting to change. It looks like a greeny colour, but I'm not sure. But it got a weird cut. I don't like that. That didn't have a nice flavour. I'll put it here. So, it's only got 3 things left. I forgot to show you now. It looks like a gummy, and it looks like a soda flavour. Here we go. Found it. Yep, it's a soda flavour gummy. I don't know what soda flavour is, but they say soda flavour. But it's got a heart and a fist, so I will have the art. So all you gotta do is pick it out, and that's the art. not a star. That is quite nice. Next thing we got is these are popping candy, and there's a mixture of flavor. I don't really like them, so I won't be trying them. There's no point in me opening them. I made sure I'll just give them to my mum more she do give like what I don't want, she has. So we'll get down to them. There we go. There's nothing underneath, so it's like a popping candy, but it's got a weird thing. This looks like a corn soup. A Hershey bowl. So this is like a cream color. That's not like lightning, not the actual color of the packing. Well, let's see what they are. And that's the last thing on here, guys. Let's see what it is. It's a thick cream cream of cone flavor. So I don't think I will like it. But it's like a really big cone. It's like a big, what's it? Like a big Cheeto or Cheeto, but it's like a, it's got a biscuit flavour. That smell. No, I definitely don't like that. Oh, no. But I may just move my camera over there instead of me putting it out. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. More boxes on its way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.